am not condoning, putting your hands on the fan or punching the fan, but he did call him a racial slur. He called him the N-word.
Hey, DK! Yup!
Like, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell to get notifications anytime I go live or make a video. Make sure you still subscribe to this channel. Like this video, comment on this video, share this video. Let's get into this. We got DK Metcalf. I want to start with him. I don't know if y'all saw that game the other night where they probably getting their socks whooped off. I don't watch football anymore. And not because any other reasons, it's just I don't have time to be watching other men play football. I'd rather be with my family and making money somewhere. I will watch it, but I'm not going to make it a thing, right? My daddy want to go watch the Cowboys. We watching the Cowboys, baby. But anything outside of that, I don't really watch it. But, so, I don't know if DK Metcalf then won or not. I don't know. Nick probably knows. I'm pretty sure they lost because you normally don't win a game and then get suspended from a game for doing what he just did. Oh, they won. So maybe I'm wrong. That tell you I don't watch football enough. Now, how you win the game and then you get suspended? That's like getting fired on your day off. Y'all winning. Why you mad, DJ? Maybe because he dropped the ball or something. But let's talk about this situation where he grabbed a guy and punched him and all that. And DJ initially mentioned and said, I think either he said or people had rumored that the spectator called him a racial slur. That's what he said. And this whole thing was allegedly justified because he had been called a racial slur. Here is evidence to the contrary. Roll the clip.
New Jersey! Hey, DK, don't sign it! DK, don't sign it! DK! He about to throw that mother. Hey, DK! Yup! Yup!
So you heard a little bit about what they were saying before DK came over there and grabbed his hair and punched him in the face. Here's some other views of what happened. Roll the clip.
DK Metcalf had mixing up with someone in the stands.
Oh, my gosh.
And that is not going to have great consequences for the Steelers and Metcalf. Let's
go with another angle. Now, here's a still image of DK Metcalf. When he can't say he didn't punch the guy. That's the pulling of the hair and a closed fist going straight up in his face. Freedom has never been free, and the cost is rising. That's why Patriot Mobile exists. For over 12 years, they've defended faith, family, and freedom while delivering premium coverage on all 3 major U.S. networks. Switch today and support the First Amendment, the Second Amendment, and our heroes. Go to patriotmobile.com/Tatum or call 972-PATRIOT for a free month. All right, let's listen to the next clip, which would be, I think it's the ESPN tweeting about Metcalf's suspension. Now, this guy lost a ton of money. He's getting paid like $500,000 a game or something crazy. So he's going to lose that per suspension. And then allegedly he had like this multi-million-dollar guarantee that he had in his contract that he's no longer going to get, allegedly. I don't know what relationship DJ had with his mom and them, but I don't understand why people so mad at their government name. Now, DJ Metcalf government name is crazy. But why are you so mad? You grown and you rich. If you don't like your name, just change your name to DK. You got number Kanye West changed his name to Ye. You could change your name to DK. Instead of getting mad every time somebody call your government name. It's very interesting because I believe some of it is trauma that people are enduring when they don't like their God-given name, or not God-given name, they don't like the government name that their parents and them gave them. Brandon is not super sexy, right? I mean, that's one of the basic names that you can find. But I'm not mad that my name Brandon. Like what? Like why are people upset with their names? And anyway, listen to what Shannon Sharpe said, and then Ocho. For some reason, Ocho claimed that he had some behind-the-scenes information, and I don't think it was right. Roll the clip.
DK walked up to a fan, grabbed him by his shirt collar, pulled him closer, and then forcefully shoved him back.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I read something where the guy said he called him by his government name.
Yeah, I can tell you.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I'm just I got word. Obviously, I'm not condoning, putting your hands on the fan or punching the fan, but he did call him a racial slur. He called him the N-word, and he did call his mama. And I think with those words being exchanged and the fans saying that, I think that's where the action, occurred, where he threw. I think he threw a punch. I'm not sure if he connected or whatever, but he did call him the N-word, and he called his mama. I guess
The C word. Just say the C word, Ocho.
Oh, my bad. That's bad.
Yeah, it's bad. It's terrible.
Okay, my bad. Yeah, okay, but yeah. He did that. So he called him the N-word and the C word. That's a bad combination. A bad combination,
right.
And it caused DK to react.
Hold on, I just got to point this out. First of all, Ocho Cinco is getting bad information. Second, I watched this with unedited. I don't know why Shannon Sharpe felt like the C word was that bad. This is coming from a guy who on live stream on Instagram, he pumping and sweating on live stream. Also, he just paid a multi-million-dollar settlement to I almost called it the S word. I can say it's my show. Y'all edit it out. He paid multi-million-dollars to a slut on OnlyFans, and he somehow acted like the C word is a bad word. Hey, it is what it is. All right, Ocho got bad information. Let's play some more clips. It was a guy did a good review of this in the response. Roll the clip 107. Roll it.
The Lions fan involved in the viral altercation with Steelers wide receiver DK Metcalf is telling his side of the story. The fan spoke to the Detroit Free Press, and the fan claims he only said DK's full name, saying Metcalf doesn't like his government name and snapped, grabbing him, ripping his shirt, and throwing a punch. And when they asked him to identify himself, the fan said, "My name is the biggest Detroit Lions fan ever that got attacked by DK Zacharias Metcalf." However, Chad Ochocinco...
DK Zacharias. Y'all got to stop doing this to your kids. They grew up with trauma because that name is crazy. Now, I don't know if it's his dad, named him that or something, and his dad passed away and it's sensitive for him. I don't know. I never heard DK really mention it. Or these grown babies, man. These dudes are grown, and they get sensitive over weird stuff. Like they can't compartmentalize their emotions. But then on top of this, and I say on top of this, but fans are upset that Lamar Jackson didn't get suspended for what he did. Now, when you watch it immediately, you'll see the difference between what DJ Metcalf did and what Lamar Jackson did. Let's roll that clip.
By the fence, fan hits him up on the head and then hits Lamar Jackson. And after that fan, it wasn't celebrating at all, hit him.
I mean, big face Lamar Jackson. Lamar Jackson's head went back like this. And it's not their fans, it's the opposing team fans. And people wonder why Lamar didn't get suspended. That's why Lamar didn't get suspended. You can't push a person in the face like that. But anyway, let me know what you guys think. Do you think Lamar Jackson, or not Lamar Jackson, but DJ Metcalf went too far? Is it inappropriate for a fan to antagonize you by calling you your name that your mama and them named you?